how you will get a job in good company, good MNC company. So he helped us a lot, ma'am.
Hi, Dilshad.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. What about you?
I'm good, Dilshad. So this is Aruna from Quality Department, Dilshad. I just want to take a learning feedback from your side. Can you introduce about yourself, Dilshad, your studies and which you passed out and from where you have come?
Ma'am, myself Dilshad I am from Jamshedpur. I have completed my diploma in civil engineering from Al Kabir Polytechnic College, Jamshedpur. Later on, I have done BTech in civil engineering from CACM Engineering College, Kolkata.
Okay, fine. So you're which year passed out?
Ma'am, 2021, then I have worked for 1 year.
Okay, fine. So what and all you learned in CMTI, Dilshad? So what was the syllabus and lessons of CMTI?
Ma'am, here in CMTI, we have done from basic like starting from sequence of construction, then methodology, then quantity surveying, quality, and then BOQ, project management, how to manage the project, all these things.
So how did you get to know about CMTI?
Ma'am, about CMTI, I get to know from YouTube. There is a civil site visit channel. From there only I came to know about CMTI.
Like, what about your software learning and all this, Shil? How was that?
Yes, ma'am, software learning we have done here AutoCAD, then StatPro, SketchUp, Primavera, MS Office, all these things, ma'am. And MS Project also, ma'am.
Okay. So what about your learning and all, like site visits? How many site visits you had attended in your training?
Ma'am, almost 8 to 9 site visit I have attended from starting. Like first we have gone for batching plant, then we have gone to Asian Paint, then we have also gone for different site visit, ma'am. Construction site visit also. There is a jail project going on. There we have visited. We have came to learn good thing. Redappa sir have taught us a very good things about how the site work goes on. What is the do's and don'ts in the sites, safety precaution and all.
Fine. So can you speak about your confidence level before joining CMT and after joining CMT? Because actually you had relocated right to Bangalore. So there will be some of the obstacles you have gone through.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
actually choosing Bangalore, it's the best thing because it's a silicon city. And
Yes,
moreover, there is no differentiate for the languages and etc. Right?
yes, ma'am.
So, can you tell me the confidence? How you like? Tell me about your confidence changes after joining here.
Yes, ma'am. Surely after joining CMTI, my confidence level have increased. I talk about before joining CMTI because after coming here, I got to know each and everything how that goes on, how the work goes on, how to interact with other people. Because Ashok sir have given me the opportunity to attend different seminar. From there also we have done a lot. So yes,
Okay.
ma'am, confidence level have increased a lot.
So, in this training, offline training, you were having the seminar also, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about the exhibitions and all exhibitions and the conferences?
Yes, ma'am. I attended different types of conference. Like if you take green building, then we have a national seminar on scaffolding and formwork. So that all was very good, ma'am.
Okay. Your industry connect was a little more, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So, Dilshad, can you tell me about your trainers and all? So, how was their learning, like their teaching style, and whether they were clearing your doubts and all? Can you speak about them?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure. There are very good learner, ma'am, here in CMTI. Like if I talk about Natarajan sir, he's just a fantastic guy, ma'am. He's a down to earth, ma'am. He's always ready to help you at any situation when you want. He will not anytime that I am busy, come after some time. He will leave his work and ma'am, he will help you. He will clear all your doubts. So Natarajan sir, ma'am, he is very good.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
So, Dilshad, what about CMTI app and all? So, how was that?
Ma'am, CMTI app is a very helpful app because if in case we have absent for class that you can take from my friend also. If we absent on any specific date due to some reason, we can cope up with that CMTI app. It's a very helpful app, ma'am. Your each and every doubt will clear from that CMTI app because in lecture somehow for any reason you mind will be divert, then you can go and see in CMTI app.
Okay. Though there are many features in that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. There are a lot of things, ma'am. Maybe you
Oh,
can learn material management, DBS, quantity surveying, drones in construction, green building. There is a lots of things, ma'am.
fine.
Yes.
So, Dilshad, you tell me, taking this course as a fresher, how it helped you in upgrading your skills and all, whether it is a fresher or an experienced working professional. So, how this training helped you?
And this training have helped me a lot. For that only I am working for 1 year, but I thought that yeah, I am not good to grow in this situation. I want to vast my knowledge. That's why I choose CMTI to go there and enhance my knowledge. For that, I will get a growth in my career. So yes, ma'am, CMTI have helped me a lot.
So, can you tell me
Yeah.
about our Ashok sir, about his motivation and interview guidance, that thing and all?
Yes, ma'am. Ashok sir was very good and he is also very helpful because you also know that he have worked a lot, worked in different company. He taught us from basic how in his life, how he have worked, how from beginning now where he is, how to go, how to cope up with the side because inside you also know man there is lots of politics and all. So Ashok sir have taught me that how you have to cope up with all that difficulties in the sides, how you have how you will get the growth in your in your career, how you will get a job in good company, good MNC company. So he helped us a lot, man.
Okay, that is good to hear from you, Dilshad. And what about our CMTI staffs and all? So, how was their coordination?
Ma'am, each and every staff was very good because, ma'am, when we are not coming, they informed us that please come, this is for your future, this is very helpful. If you will not come, then you will lose the classes. You will, if you will absent in the classes, you are in only loss. No one will be in loss. So they are also motivating us throughout our learning.
Finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Dilshad?
Ma'am, I just want to tell each and every student who is fresher or is passed out, if they have not confident in them only, so they can join CMTI because after joining CMTI, you will be confident to work anywhere, ma'am. So I just want to tell each and everything who want to learn, come in CMTI. They taught us very good, ma'am.
Thank you, Dilshad. Thank you so much for your feedback. I hope all the best for your future. I
Yes,
hope
ma'am.
you will have a good connectivity with CMTI.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Thank you, Dilshad. Thank you so
Thank,
much.
thank you. Thank you.